for today. So our flag or our wedge has broken this morning, and yesterday was a fairly solid bullish day, not quite off the level I was looking for. And I just want to get rid of some of this noise, that one. So I was really expecting a move. Let me just get this. I was expecting us to get further down, and that would have been a positive buying area for me. We didn't quite make it down there. It basically came in off this level here, which is good enough. You know, there's tails. There was one rejection off there. There's another. Let me just zoom in here. There's another tail there. You see there. So there's no real fractals, which I'd prefer to see fractals at the level. But if you look here, you can see there's pretty much a lot of tails off this level. A lot of interaction around this area that we bounced, which was 3,000 dead. Anyway, if we get to the 3 hour here, let's zoom out a bit here so we can see the context that we have. So, yeah, we do have this double bottom, which is still in play as far as I'm concerned. There is another one brewing here. But look at the buyer stepping in here off this level, and then look at the buyer stepping in here off this level. You know, for me right now, I'm watching this area that we're in at the moment, right now, for my breakout and retest. That's what I'm looking for. We've got a wedge breakout. I would like to see a move to the downside again. But just based on what you're seeing at the moment, I don't think that's going to transpire. I think what you're going to be expecting is a pretty hefty move to the upside. At the moment, this wedge probably play out more than likely. And just take the measured move like that. And that makes the most sense because it brings us back to previous highs. Okay. Back in this area, then, I'll be looking to see what transpires there. Maybe that is going to be, there's going to be some kind of catalyst or something. It's going to drive it either up or drive it back down in a strong move like this. But until that happens, long it is. And this is pretty much what we're looking for. 3,000 was defended. It was defended pretty solidly. Okay, you can see there. And pretty much, you've got some major levels here. And you can see how price is forming a triangle here on this level. Wrong time of day at the moment with still half an hour to go, or just over half an hour to go before the European Open. But definitely looking like we're having a breakout to the upside. I'm looking for longs. I've been looking for longs all the time. I'm really not interested in shorts at the moment. Not until we are a lot higher up. Or alternatively, we are breaking below the previous swing lows. So for me, this is just consolidation. It's been a long consolidation, and got a lot of people grumpy because of no real direction. But I do believe that is probably going to change now. Okay, so what are we looking for? So there's a couple of things at the moment, and I'm going to pop down to the 15-minute just to give you the context of what I'm looking for right now, because that will be the time frame that I'm trading off. So first thing first, price action. We're at a level. We are consolidating, and consolidating is a triangle. There it is there. I'm expecting a breakout of this to the upside. I'm expecting a retest back onto 30.66, and then that would be a long with a stop below the low of the triangle. Okay, so we're basically looking at a 160 point stop loss, and target areas at the moment, as far as I'm concerned, is this measured move up to here, which will be 3233. Okay, now what we're going to try and do with this trade is to scale in. So what we want to do is we want to take the breakout, get it running, move stop to entry. It should come back to test another level as soon as it starts turning again. I'm using my mouse. Let me do this. So firstly, we're waiting for this to happen, and then we're waiting for some kind of a pullback onto a level. That will get us buying. Okay, price is then going to move. Okay, your entry will be here. Your stop will be below the triangle here. Okay, as soon as it moves up, stop to entry. Okay, then you should see a pullback back onto a level. Could come all the way down here for argument's sake. And then it's going to make another move up. That's the point to add to my position. Okay, then stop to entry. Wait for it to pull back again. Okay, and then add another position. Stop to entry. And so you slowly build and accumulate your position, never exceeding your risk profile. So you're never risking more than 2% in total, but when I'm trading a single pair like this, I'm looking at between 0.5% and 1% risk of capital. And so you continue this, making sure that you keep locking in profit, keep locking in profit, keep locking in profit, because every time you move stop to entry on your new entry, the previous entries are in profit. Stop to entry on your new entry, your previous entries are profit. So you're locking in profit all along until you get to the major level. And that's pretty much what we are going to try and do with this pair. It's not always easy, because a lot of times you see your profit and my brain will kick in and say, stop being greedy and take the profit. But anyway, that's kind of what we're looking for at the moment. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. This level that we're flirting with right now is definitely what I want to see broken. I want to see this 3066 broken. I want to see it retested. Long it is, stop below, smallish position, so that I can keep accumulating as we move up. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my view at the moment. I hope it helped you somewhat, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.